Welcome to Mishu Mishti TV.
1 tomato, 2 tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, 4 5 tomatoes, 6 tomatoes, 7 tomatoes more. 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, 4 5 tomatoes, 6 tomatoes, 7 tomatoes more. 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, 4 5 tomatoes, 6 tomatoes, 7 tomatoes more. 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, 4 5 tomatoes, 6 tomatoes, 7 tomatoes more. 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, 4 5 tomatoes, 6 tomatoes, 7 tomatoes more. 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, 4 5 tomatoes, 6 tomatoes, 7 tomatoes more. Hello, hello, come and see kind little friends like you and me. Let's learn manners every day so we can smile and laugh and play. Maddie and Sunu had a shiny red ball. It's mine, oh mine, they began to call. Pull and tug, shout and shout. Soon they started to fight about it. Then came Mishu with a gentle smile. He said, let's stop and think a while. Friends don't fight, that's not the way. Let's share the ball so we can play. Share, share, take a turn. That's the way good friends learn. Kind words make the day bright. Sharing toys feels just right. Maddie rolled the ball to Sonu to try. Sonu kicked it back with a happy hi. They laughed and played out in the sun. Sharing made it twice the fun. If you need something, say please. When you get help, say thank you. If you make a mistake, say sorry. Kind words make friends love you. Share, share, clap your hands. Kindness helps us understand. Take turns, laugh and play. Good manners every day. No more fighting, no more cries. Friends are happy when they're wise. Share your toys and you will see happy friends like you and me. Do you see? Can you find a match with me? Same, 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 hooray, hooray. Let's play the matching game today. Color red, red, look right there. 2 red colors make a pair. Red, 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 clap your hands. what's on your list. Choose, choose, tell me true. What would make you smile anew? Here it comes, just for you. Let's be happy, me and you. Is it candy, sweet and bright? A rainbow treat, a tasty bite? Here you go, a yummy pop. Giggle, wiggle, jump and hop. Choose, choose, tell me true. What would make you smile anew? Here it comes, just for you. Let's be happy, me and you. Maybe wheels that spin so fast, zooming by and having a blast. Try a bike, ring, 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 or a tiny car, vroom, vroom, zing. Bubbles floating in the air, shiny circles everywhere. Pop them high and pop them low. Watch your happy laughter grow. Oh, what now? You shake your head. Let's think of milk instead. Sip, sip, nice and slow. Now your happy smile will glow. Smile, smile, bright and wide. Joy is shining from inside. When we share and when we care, happy moments fill the air.
Subscribe Mishu Mishti TV for more videos.